Alright guys, welcome to REDLINE Performance. Today we're gonna be working on the BRZ. I just got the exhaust for it, and it's from Spec D Tuning. So right now what we're gonna, it's right there. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna basically do the before, and then the before video, and then after the before video we're gonna move to the basically we're just gonna start working on it, and then once we get done we'll make another video for the full exhaust. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so this one is gonna be for the for before we installed the exhaust. So just hear how it sounds, kinda like that. I don't know if you can see it better, but I think that's good. I'm gonna start it up and then rev it up just a little bit. Alright, so you guys heard the before. It's not bad, it sounds pretty and I don't know if you all heard that. There was that little pop when I revved it the first time, and I was so lit. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and install the fucking exhaust, and dude, I'm so fucking happy for myself, and I'm happy for this fucking channel, bro. We gotta grow this channel so bad. Oh yeah, by the way, if you already like this video, go ahead and like, comment what I should do next to my BRZ, and subscribe. Please subscribe. We need more views, and we need more views, and we need more subscribers, and then I can make more videos. Alright, so what you need, first of all, before you do anything, you need WD-40. This will help you with all the like rusted bolts, and by the time you start taking them off, they'll be easy to come off. Alright, so I'll just show you where you gotta do it from. And by the way, I'm recording the video while I'm doing this, so it's a little hard for me to show you. But first of all, you gotta, this hangers for the exhaust, you gotta spray them with the WD-40. So that's the first thing you do, and then do the other one. There's two, so do the other one, spray it. And I'm trying not to mess myself over here. And then next thing, we got this these two bolts right here. You're gonna have to spray them too. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. And again, this is just to make it easier to come off. And they kind of rusted, so that's the bad part.
All right, and then we got those two down there. Let me see if I can reach them. All right. I'm too big, bro. All right. And then we got this two. One right there. And then the other one right there. Just like that. You see it? Just like that. And I'm so fucking happy because I don't have any leaks on this thing. So that's a fucking plus for me. No leak game. And nothing is broken so far. I mean, I got 50,000 miles on it, so I wouldn't expect anything to be broken by this point. But let's get to remove this thing, and then we can keep going and see what we get. All right.
Alright guys, so I finally took out everything. So the only thing now I gotta do is just install the exhaust, which is right there. So basically, I was trying to go over this real quick. So basically they give you like directions or steps. They give you step by step how to do it. So if you don't know exactly what you're doing, you can just follow this, and then you'll literally take you where, like, to the part where you actually install the exhaust. So I didn't have to follow this because I know a lot. So all you just gotta do is just fucking install that shit, and then the next thing you know, we're just gonna start it up and see how it sounds like. And let me show you the old exhaust. And so this is what we got right here. Oh, my car is alright, it's acting up. But this is what we got right here. This motherfucker is heavy as hell. Trust me, you have to have somebody to help you out with this. If not, you're probably gonna end up giving up or something. But yeah, it's heavy as fuck, but it's worth it. Alright, so the only problem now is I'm missing a gasket for this part. Let me show you. So for this part right here, I'm missing a gasket, but I got all the other gaskets for everything. So I'm trying to figure out, like, does it actually need a gasket or it doesn't? But I know it has to have a gasket. But otherwise, I'm not gonna make a video of me installing it, but I'm not gonna make a video of me installing it, but just give me a few minutes, and I'll install this bitch on, and then next thing I'm gonna start it up and we'll see how it sounds like. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so I finally got everything put on. Let me see. Let me find my phone real quick so I can show you. Okay, this is what we got. I got the one with the blue tips on it. The old one. It's really simple to put on, really, because it's simple as fuck. You just gotta follow the directions, and it'll literally get you exactly where it's supposed to be. Alright, and now the other thing you gotta check for is to see if the space on top right here, it's the same on that side, and it's kind of looks the same, so I'm good on that. All I need to do now is just lower it and call it a day. Lower it, start it up, and then see how it sounds like. And that's what's up. Alright, so I just found out that um, on one of the gaskets, I didn't really put him on like all the way right. So I gotta basically lift it up and redo it, and I'll do another cold start. Alright. Alright, so this is basically what I'm saying. So the gasket didn't really go on there. I don't know if you can see it right there. So I gotta take this bolt off and then push the gasket and then put it back on. Basically, that's all I gotta do. And then restart it for another cold start, and then we'll see how it sounds like. All right. Cool. Try this shit one more time. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and all the good things, you know. Then let me know what I should do next to the BRZ. Right now I got the exhaust, diffuser, and the front lip, and I'm thinking about buying some wheels, but let me know like which specific wheels should I buy for, should I get for. Alright, peace out.